This is Pinoy Extreme Channel.
Okay, so we're here at Bontoc Municipal Capitol, and we're here with Ma'am Karen Ginayan, tourism officer here in Bontoc. So she's going to explain when did Am-Among Festival started, and what is the meaning of Am-Among Festival, and of course, what are the activities of Am-Among Festival 2024. Yun. So, Ma'am Karen, please.
Alright, so hello to our viewers. So, the Am-Among Festival started or was conceptualized in 2004. So, it's today, 2024, it's 20th. So, it's the 20th Am-Among Festival. So, the word Am-Among came from the traditional Bontoc culture, wherein after the planting season, mga families, all families or kinships, they come together. So they gather and pipili sila ng bahay sa kanilang family wherein they will gather, they will eat for a few days. So may gathering, may feast, so they will prepare. And then from that, the LGU conceptualized na ay pwede nating gawing siyang festival kasi it will gather all the barangays. So doon nagsimula yung Am-Among Festival. So it has been, Am-Among Festival has been a weekly activity, no? It was, it coincides with the Foundation Day of the municipality also. So, ang ginawa nila, a week-long activity. So, meron tayong cultural street dancing. For this year, we have the cultural street dancing which will happen today. Tomorrow, we have the creative street dancing also, wherein the schools incorporate innovations in their cultural performances. And actually, nag-umpisa nung September 9, yung festival natin ngayong year. We had started with the agro-industrial trade fair, wherein pwede pa, meron pa tayong displays today. They can buy agricultural products from our different barangays and also industrial products from our entrepreneurs. And then we had the neutering and spaying. We also had the choral presentation from our LGU choral group. We also had the concerts and the Bontoc Got Talent as well, wherein they presented Bontoc talents, the various Bontoc talents.
When is this? Bontoc Got Talent?
And actually, natapos na siya. That was Wednesday, I think. Kasi this today, the cultural presentation, and tomorrow will be the culminating activities. Yes. So that's it. The Am-Among Festival is a weekly celebration starting from September 9 and will end tomorrow, September 6.
So, ma'am, invite them to come join us.
And to the viewers, we invite you to come here at the Municipal Capitol Grounds to watch the cultural presentation of the various barangays of Bontoc. Pwede din po tayo pumunta sa streets wherein they will perform the street dancing. Tomorrow din po, we invite you for the creative street dancing. The same din po, magsasayaw sila sa streets and then they will come here to perform their main presentation. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And the Am-Among Festival 2024, let's go, Bontoc Mountain Province.
Because I know if we preserve our culture, it will tuloy na. We are lucky, kakaibigan. kay walay katuna ay praktisan ta ko butang kanak-kanak luwaday ng okasyon amo yung kalutit kanay kalutit butang kananday at least walay praktisan ng buong yan sapay tumatay tutuloy ta ko na tuna we continue to preserve our culture tapno maipasa ta ko isang next generation.
It involves a 5-day tour in the barangay where no one is allowed to enter or exit the village. Going to the rice fields is also prohibited. Various activities shall be noted in the observance of tour, including the designation of the persons to do the picing, who shall strictly follow the role they have to perform. Should the tour be successful, Foknag will be declared and the villagers will start to harvest. Entry number 2.
This is Pinoy Extreme Channel.